Hey, bro, watch this wrist. Watch this wrist I got.
Bro thinks he's him.
My name is Lucas. I'm a senior, and people around here say I'm the villain.
Bro did him dirty in front of the whole class.
Is Prince here? Prince?
Yeah.
Oh, can I still come over and play today? Guillermo, you want to come?
Yeah.
Bro felt tough doing that. Bro's so cool, he has his own language.
Touch my bag.
You just move it. Bro, just move your bag.
And how about this for an answer?